In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off video subtitles on YouTube videos using your smartphone. So if YouTube videos on your smartphone are playing with subtitles and you'd like to turn them off, it is pretty simple. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To turn them off, go ahead and open the YouTube app and then go ahead and play any video, and you'll see we have this CC option here. If you move closer, you can see it is on when it is white like this. So if I play this video,
well, this may sound strange.
You can see the subtitles are on, but if I go ahead and tap on it, now this will go ahead and turn off the subtitles, as you can see here. Alternatively, another method to turn off these captions or subtitles, if you can't see this CC icon, just head to settings here by clicking on settings here, and then you'll see captions. Go ahead and tap on it, and currently you can see English auto-generated captions or subtitles are on. To turn these off, go ahead and tap on turn off captions, and that will go ahead and turn the captions off. Now if you play the video,
but Greece is not the only country that is facing this predicament.
Now you can see the subtitles have been turned off. So that's how you can turn off captions or subtitles on videos on YouTube using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.